Hello to everyone. So today I received an email and my follower or subscriber asked me wondering if you did a chart on the 2011 Fukushima event. I'll be interested in seeing that best. Okay, now I'm going to show you the earthquake in Japan because maybe a lot of people ask me to do this. So let me show you this. Now, earthquake in Japan was occurred at 5:56:23 on UTC Standard Time, which is this is what 11? Yeah, this is 6:46 in Croatian time. Okay, 9.0. It was stronger than 9. It was 9.3, but they degraded because of the insurance companies. So let me show you the earthquake. So here it is. This is the moment of the earthquake. 6:40 in the morning. Comet NEAT C 2006 K4 was passing right through the off coast Honshu, Japan, or near east coast of Honshu, Japan. That was right here. Well, what was the support for this? I will show you now very easily, because this is a deadly combination. And this is really have to be something. So this green line, this blue line, this is the blue line. It's so just a moment. Blue line. It's a orbit of Comet NEAT. Okay, and green light. It's an orbit of the moon. So I'm going to show you the moon here, which is always present here. Here it is. Look at it here. But what is the odd very in his earthquake? It's, you see that red line? This is the orbit of the Jupiter. So we have a double circus here, with orbit of Jupiter and with orbit of moon. But this is not all, because all other planets were in alignment below the moon. So let me show you. Moon, look at that now. Jupiter, Mercury, Uranus, Sun, Mars, Neptune, and probably Venus too. Yes, and Venus. So all planets was in alignment in that moment. All planets was in alignment at that moment. And most of this Uranus, just a moment, orbit is crossing with the orbit of the moon, you see. And this is enormous power that was released in the orbit of the moon. And this orbit of the NEAT cut all this orbit here. I can make it all this orbit visible so you can see how many orbit was actually here. So that is one, Mars and Neptune and Saturn and Venus. And now watch this mess here. Do you see how many orbit this comet is crossing? Do you see how many orbit this comet is crossing? So here's the orbit. So a moment of the earthquake, I will show you now. This is the moment of the earthquake. 6:40. So this is probably a comet which was very, very low on the Earth, near the Earth. Let me see what was the distance. It said 9 astronomical units. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. Do you know what is 9 astronomical units? That is 9 size distance between Earth and the Sun. 9 size. You know where this is incredible. I mean, what they are doing. This is incredible what they are doing. So here it is. So look at the fucking coincidence. And now I'm gonna put you this in the 6:46, and you will see how far will go the 42, 43, 45, and 46. Here it is. this is the moment when this discharging from this comet arrived to the Earth and hit the ground of the Japan. 6 minutes, only 6 minutes. This is very powerful. That was very powerful hit, and it is 9.3. So this is the moment of the earthquake. You see that here? 6:40 in the morning, right through the center of the epicenter. Here it is, 6:40 in the morning. Comet NEAT C 2006 K4. Let me see how big it was. This. Oh, so the radius of the comet was 10 kilometers. Yeah, right. Okay. So this is it. If you want to see the triangle, I can squeeze this and I can show you the triangle. But the triangle here is not so important because look at how many orbits. Look at how much power it will send toward this orbit of the comet. So this is like I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus some 6. Okay, 6 orbits are crossing this orbit of this comet. And then of course there were some other earthquakes later, very powerful, but there's also a lot of comets later, and this alignment was steady. So each comet which come, it was in alignment with any of this planet, what caused 1,000 of earthquakes, because every movement of this comet, it was an earthquake. So this is it. I hope that you understand now. I can only show you one more very, very important thing. Almost forgot to show you. Let me show you what was the illumination of the moon. This is very important because I always say it's 11, it's 21, it's 33, 55, or full moon, or moon is missing completely. So let me show you this. Very easily to see. Go to March 11, 2011, and let me see what we got here. That was 9 o'clock in the 10 o'clock in the evening, and that was in the 6 o'clock in the 6 o'clock at morning. 33%. What did I say? 33%. Okay. That was illumination when the strong earthquake occurs. So always is matching this illumination of the moon. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Hope you are satisfied.